In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to get medium gun parts on Arc Raiders. So I'm going to show you the first one, which is going to be the easiest way, and that is to go into Traders here, as you can see, and then you're going to go into Celeste here in the top left corner. So go into Celeste, and she actually sells like medium gun parts here, as you can see, and you need to be able to give 15 asserted seeds here to be able to purchase one, as you can see. So she actually does sell medium gun parts, which is amazing. And if you want to be able to find it on a raid, I'm going to show you where I was able to find quite a lot. So I went into Dam Battlegrounds here, as you can see, and I was able to find quite a lot of medium gun parts, personally at least, around the apartment areas. And I think apartment areas are like this right here. I was also like able to find it a lot in this red zones right here, as you can see. And yeah, but it is to be honest, it is a bit random, but apartments and the red zones here have worked really well for me personally. So I hope that you will be able to find it in there as well.